Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, I'm back with another beautiful designs of creative Christmas trees designs. Christmas trees designs are most unique and most creative. In this collection, you see the beautiful designs and beautiful colors of Christmas. The most demanding and the most beautiful all collection, all designs are so unique, so beautiful, so amazing. I try my best guys the all designs and all collection are new, updated ideas, and the Christmas are so creative designs. Red and green combination, silver combination, most modern way to celebrate the Christmas festival 2025. I hope you enjoy my collection on daily basis. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. Watch the video till the end. The most demanding beautiful articles are available on my YouTube channel.